Okay, we're gonna do an alignment today. Let's type in the specs. American Motors. Concord, 1978. Okay. We have to put the reflectors on. Okay, according to this, we're going to do the rolling compensation. That's where we roll the car back and forth, and it sets itself to the machine, so the machine knows if it's 3 degrees off to the left, whatever it is. So the machine will know exactly where the car is when it rolls back and forth, plus it frees up the suspension. We mounted the reflectors. I'll show you how. Here's one of the rear reflectors, which we mounted into the lip of the wheel, tightened it down, and then leveled it off. So let's roll it back and forth and see what we get. See if I can find a place to put this camera. Well, let's go to the next screen. Okay, now we gotta roll it back. Let me see if I can find the place. Okay. I set the camber, I just gave it a rough setting because everything was so far out for me loosening everything, it was just hard to get everything into spec. So the camber's rough. We're gonna roll it back, recompensate it, and we're gonna start again. So, ready? And let's compensate it to the machine. Okay, we're going to pop the pins on the turn plates, which I'll show you in a minute. I'm going to pop them, then we'll see what our specs are, then I'll show you what everything is. Okay, let's see what the specs are. According to this, the camber's in the green. My caster, which I haven't measured yet, is still showing in the red from the last time I measured it. And the toe is definitely out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to measure the caster real quick. Okay, and it still shows you how far it's off before I could even start. Basically what we're doing with the caster is, let me just make it so we can do it. Okay, basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up in the car, I'm going to lock the front wheels so they don't turn. Because cast is the measurement of the front or back leaning of the kingpin inclination. Okay, so right now what I'm going to do is it's going to have me turn the wheel all the way to the left, which is I think 22 degrees to have you do it. It's going to wait, then I'm going to go past center, then 22 the other way, then center it, and that's going to give me a caster reading, which I know is going to be off, but it's going to tell me where it is. Okay. Those were actually our specs. Right now the left side cast is at 0.9 negative, and this one's 0.8 negative. So that means the bottom of the actual lower control arm is past the center line straight up and down, 0.9 degrees and 0.8 degrees. Okay? Just like the wheel on a shopping cart would be. But we're looking for positive caster, like a motorcycle or a chopper. So we're going to be bringing this into the positive. I'm blocking the reflector. The toe is just way out. And I know these are borderline. Let's click on and see what we have. I'll save these measurements. Okay. It's going to ask me to adjust the caster. These are, the camber is almost exact. You see caster in the negative and in the negative. You want to get towards the positive. Okay, they're looking for 0 degrees, which is straight up and down, or positive 2 degrees. Same on the left side. So you're looking for the angle to be straight or slightly forward. Right, Rudy?
Yeah.
Yeah, Rudy says yeah.